Good afternoon, everyone. I am with the star runner Rama Krishna Padarthi. Rama is on his last kilometer for his 500 miler, and as you have been following the journey, Ram actually joined us. He registered for 300 miles and he finished that successfully, and then went ahead and now he's going to complete 500 miles. Rama, how are you feeling?
It's really nice. It's not expected. It is beyond my imagination. But still, I am second or third day like that only. It is not at all adjusted also, really.
Nice.
Really, after 500 miles also, not at all adjusted. Because of the taking proper food on time, taking rest on time. I am sleeping every day, night 11 to 4, 11 to 4, 4:30. Around 5 to 6 hours, 5 hours.
Nice. And you know, one thing, just something that I remember is that we had a couple guys join us yesterday, Karthik and Nilesh. And Nilesh asked that, you know, I'm pure vegetarian and I want to do ultra 100k. So will that be an issue? And nothing at all. Rama is pure vegetarian.
Pure vegetarian, and entire journey we ate all natural fruits only, no electrolytes, nothing. Just coconut water, sugarcane juice, banana, oranges,
Nice.
and kajur. All are natural food.
Very nice.
Because of that, there is no health issues technically.
Nice. So Rama, and this is your only second ultra to date. Your first ultra also you did something similar. What you have done here is you registered for 100 and then you went off for 100 miler.
61, right?
So you know, one of the things that we found out about Rama because of the run is that he is shit scared of dogs. He is extremely scared, and then so because of which he wouldn't run after 11 or something, or you know, like if he sees a dog, then he'll quickly change his way, probably go to the other side of the road or something. What is that, Rama?
No, it is not that much.
Huh.
If morning time dogs are there is no issue. Lot many people are there. Night time, no one is there. Only dogs only. I'm afraid. So it is better not to run.
In
and
fact,
at the same time taking rest. It
Nice,
is
nice.
giving in another way as a rest.
right. In fact, you know, when the run started, you were just with Sushil sir only. You're doing 100 meters here, 100 meters there, just circling over there because.
Actually, I never run any ultras also. I always stay in the city. So for me, going alone, it is something a little bit uncomfortable.
Yeah.
That is initially, first day, second day.
Yeah.
Third day onwards, it improved a lot. I think fourth day onwards, I am there 3, 4, 5 kilometers away to anyone. 3 to 4 kilometers away. So there is no fear, nothing. I lost everything. So that is the one best learning for me.
Nice. So you know,
Nothing to worry.
one of the things that Rama would do is he would find one bakra of the day. And when I say bakra, is that, you know, one of the runners, whoever is in Josh doing well, and then he will set in his mind that, you know, this is my target, that I'm going to be with this person. What that person is going to cover, I will cover. I think that you know, people have different ways of self-motivation and, you know, setting your own target so that you can push yourself. So was that one of your strategy?
No. Actually, whenever I fix the targets, I'm not able to reach that one because I thought many times before lunch, 4:30 or 4:40, it is always 5 kilometers rain. And later on, I decided nothing, just run only. Some days morning time rhythm is too strong. Sometimes afternoon rhythm is too strong. Sometimes entire day rhythm is strong. Rhythm is not at all strong.
Nice. So I mean, and Rama loves round figures. So you know, I remember when
399 399.8.
399.8.
400 I want that day.
And there was one for lunch we are going to sit. It was 598. And he's like, no, I have 2 kilometers left. I want to go finish and make it 600 kilometers. Fantastic. We are going to join back in just a little while, very short while. I'm just going to find out where Sushil is so he can join us for the finish of Rama.
So
Sushil
I told
is.
Sir also I want last 100 meters with him to
Yes,
run.
yes.
Morning itself I told very clearly.
Yes. I'll just find out where Sushil is so that he can join us as we continue to the final stage of Rama's 500 miler.